Hello, today I'm in FORD Mondeo. In this video I'll show you how to manage steering wheel buttons. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can change radio volume, radio station and radio source. Here we've got the panel thanks to which we can activate cruise control and speed limiter, and we can manage it. On the right side we've got the panel thanks to which you can increase speed limit or reset cruise control. Right here we've got the panel thanks to which we can navigate through instrument cluster. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.